Throughout the year, you're going to be creating a portfolio, and it's basically a Google site that's going to be where you house all of your different apps, and that's what you're going to turn in and submit in Canvas. So the first step that you need to do is go to the portfolio template. This link up here is actually this video that I'm recording right now, but you're going to click on this template and it's going to open up a template mobile apps portfolio for you. When you click on this, it's going to make a copy that's going to live in your Google Drive. The first thing that you want to do is up at the top right here, you want to change this to your last name. And if you want, you can put your first initial. Right down here where it says About Me, this is where you are going to write at a minimum 5 sentences about yourself. So someone who is looking at your portfolio will get to know a little bit about you and why you choose the types of apps you choose. In our class, you're going to have some particular apps that you are required to make, and other ones you're going to have more choice in what the topic of that app is. And so you're going to answer these questions that are listed here, and so you'll delete this text once you've finished and you'll have your About Me. Now we want to customize this a bit, and when you go to customize it, you notice that you can change the image. If you change the image right here on this home page, it's not going to change on any of the other pages and any future pages that you add to the website. So if you click over on themes, you'll see that there's different types of themes that you could choose, and you can choose different colors. There's a lot of different options of what you can do here. Okay, but you can also create your own custom theme, and this is what I'd recommend doing. Now, you'll notice up here that we have a banner, and you can choose to use images that are within Google. There are a very few different ones, but what I would recommend doing is if you go back to this document, you can click here for template for banner, and this is going to give you the opportunity to use this template, and it's going to be an image that you are then going to put as your banner. Right now you see a lot of white space with the blue in the middle. The blue is actually the banner, so anything we put here, if we put anything in the white, it's not really going to be displayed. So I am going to add some pictures that I had of a California condor, and I'm going to put them on both sides. I'm going to flip them, and you could add text if you want to. I might actually put them a little bit farther, but like if I have this one up here, remember we wouldn't see what's in this white area. Now maybe you are not a fan of the color blue. You can change this color. You can have it be transparent. You can have it be a gradient. It's up to you how you want that to look. Then you're going to go to File, Download as a PNG. So back on our website, so to create your custom theme, now that we have a banner image, I'm going to click on the plus, and I'm going to give it a name, My Theme. You could add a logo, which will appear at the top of your site. I'm going to skip that for right now, but you could add something. You could also add the banner image. So if I click Upload, I'm going to choose what I just downloaded and say Next. Here, I can choose preset colors. Maybe I kind of like this one. This is going to be like the background of the app, or sorry, the background of the web page, any like special colors of like fonts, things like that. If I go to custom colors, I can change them up. You could even add in hex codes if you know how to get different colors specifically based on their hex code. I'm going to say Next, and then here's where you can choose the fonts for the titles and headings, and then the fonts for the body text. When you're ready, you're going to create the theme, and what it did is it put this, it did cut off a teeny bit of the bottom of mine, but I'm okay with that. But you can play around and make sure it looks how you want it to look. And then you can still change things up on each page if you want. Here's in my theme, so we can change like navigation, all these different colors. So you have lots of options to edit even after the fact. So once you have this set up and you've written your About Me, what you need to do is publish and make the website viewable. So first we're going to go to Publish up at the top right, and it says web address Hero M because it's what I put here, but I also might want to add mobile apps. I'm going to put in an extra space right there. So Hero M mobile apps is going to be the URL. And then it says who can view my site. You're going to click on manage, and here for publish site you are going to choose public, so that way if your parents want to view your work they can see that too, but it also will allow me to see it when I'm grading things. So I'm going to say done, and then we still haven't published. We're just going to click publish, and now it's ready to it's ready to be seen. And in the next video you will see how to edit and add things and submit your apps into Canvas.